Hello, am I audible, everyone? Everything is fine, I think. Am I audible? Hi, Nilaksh, how are you? Voice is clear, Nilaksh? Okay, voice is also clear now. Everything is fine, I guess, right? Okay. Let me start the class. Okay. So, guys, basically, okay, you were absent from last two classes, so that's why. So, what we're gonna solve today is basically we will be solving a whole how to get 35 out of 35 in your paper, right? 35 out of 35. First of all, we will be solving a missing number, okay, speed maths, missing number, then approximation, okay, then I would say quadratic, and then I would say DI, okay. So this will be the series for today's class: missing number, approximation, quadratic equations, and then DI. Okay. Now this would be the means flow of the class. Secondly, I would say that if you want to download the PDF, you can download from here, which is go to the Oliveboard app, go to the courses section, go for a course, and go for YouTube class PDF, and you can download the PDF from here. This is you can download from the App Store. Secondly, I would say that, guys, if you want to purchase any of the courses, if let's say you're preparing for the SBI clerk or any of the banking exam, you can go and buy our banking super elite, which is one-stop solutions for all banking exams. Okay. You can also join my Telegram channel, as you can see, and this is particularly my Telegram channel where you can ask a doubt and whatnot. Like you can also chat with me. Okay. Okay, so let me start the class. First of all, so I will be starting the class. Let me just inform in the group so that hi. Let me just inform in the group so that everyone can join. Clear? Good evening, Abhishek Kumar. That's very good. Okay. So, should I start the class? Come on, say, give me a pledge. Yes, sir. So that I can start the class. Give me say yes so that I can start the class. Okay. Hi, Narendra. So first question is of missing number series. Okay, very good. Hi, Grishmesh. So first question is of missing number series, which is in front of you. So please solve, everyone. What is the series basically? Nobody is in shock. This is my class. Nobody is in shock. This is my class, okay? Why would anybody will in shock? This is Agnimitra's class. Can you answer, anyone? Haven't got the answers yet. 525. First answer I got 525. Okay. Let me check. First of all, as I always said, start from the difference. When you come to my class, I always say to all of you, start from the difference. Okay. This difference is very important. Now, in this, you're adding what? 19 now, because 289 plus 19 is 308. And after 19, you are adding 38. Now, simple, when I write down 19 and 38, I can say this is a multiple of 19. This is what? This is multiple of 19. So this series will be like going in terms of 19. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So this here would be plus of 95. And plus of 95 would give me 4 at the last. Means clearly I can say that my answer is 574. My answer is 574. Again, because this is a test on a speed level, so I would say all of you also look over your unit places. Here the unit place is 5, here the unit place is 5, here the place is of unit place is basically 4. So what I got from here is 9 plus 5 is 14 and 4 was at the last, so I have answered here. Everyone got this? Come on, say. Everyone got this? Everyone will come. Please wait. Come on, say. Should we go for next question? Okay, let's go for next one. Please solve. First is the difference. Everyone try and understand that first is the difference. First is the difference. Three, 3, 7. Okay. I got first answer is 337. Let me check first. Okay. So I should also check whether 337 is the correct answer. First, I'll go for difference. Okay. You can see, guys, this is a 23. 46. Am I right or not? Means, see, when you write 23, 46 minus, this would be how much? 96. This is 96 minus. Multiple of 23 is there. Okay. Multiple of 23 is there. Then there is minus 115. 115 means 12, 5. 12, 5, the unit place would be what? 7. If the unit place would be 7, only one option is there containing unit place 7, which is option 337. Okay, I hope everyone is getting this logic. Always when you're going for a speed math test, I guided you multiple times. When you go for speed math test, please look over the unit place. It will be improving your question doing ability. Let me go for next one. Please solve. Very good. Some of you have answered. Come on. And guys, do not forget to like it. Please like also. Please like also, everyone. If you're not liking it, please like. Lot of people are wait. On 19th we are having marathon, guys. Okay, 19th we are having marathon. Do attend everyone. 455. Okay, that's quite impressive. Let me see. 55 and 71, how much you are adding? You will say I'm adding 16 over here. Okay, 71 becomes 119. How much you are adding? You'll say I'll add 48 over here, right? And 119 is becoming 199. How much you are adding? You'll say I'm adding how much? 80 over there. Okay, 80 over there. Now if I say 119 becomes 311, how much you are adding? You would say how much you are adding? 1112, correct? Yes, 112. But here we haven't got any logic yet. Many a times, 100 times in the class, what I said, that if you don't follow the difference or any pattern in the single round, please go for the second round. Second round means again go for a difference. If you again go for a difference, you'll observe something. Let's see the differences of 32 here. The differences of again 32 is here. The differences of again 32 is here. So 1112 plus 32 gives you what? 144. So 144 means this again will give you, because you are adding now, so 3114 will give you, the last place would be 55. Any option containing 55 at the last is option number C. Time, sir, marathon. Marathon time is basically from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. night. It will be around of 4 to 5 hours. It will be around 4 to 5 hours. Please solve. Everything will be cleared and shared on the Telegram. So please join the Telegram, because all the information which I give you is already there in the Telegram. Now some of you haven't liked the session, so I would request that please like the session. Sixty. Oh, very good. Some of you have answered like 68 very fast. What it is? If I go for a difference, can I say the difference is quite logical here? If you are adding 18 to this, right? You are adding, not subtracting 18, na? Then you are going for 36. No, you are adding now 36, correct? 320 becomes 384, means you are adding or subtracting? No, you are subtracting, sorry. Again you are subtracting. Again you are subtracting here, means multiple of 18 is going on. Minus of 54, then it will be minus of 72 if I'm not wrong. Then again you will go for 90. And minus 90 would give you how much? 8 at the last. 68 is the correct answer. Option number E. This was easy, I would say. Please solve. Please solve. Come on, what you guys are doing? You're not solving. Why is it so? It's an easy question, guys. Oh my God, this is 34. You will add 34? Yes. What you will do? 51? Yes. What you will do? Adding 34, then 51. Then you'll add what? 85? Yes. What you will do then? After 85, come on, say the difference first. Oh, 119, no. 119? 119, right? Okay. Nothing seems like, but one thing is there. This is 17, 17, 17. Can I say this is 17 into 2? Okay, I got the logic. This is, guys, nothing but, you know what? 17 into 2. 17 into 3. Am I right? 2 and 3. Then 17 into 5. 17 into 5. Then this is 17 into 7. Am I right? We have 2, 3, 5, 7. Other would be 11. This is 17 into 11, which is 8. 1, 7 and 8. Is it right? So you need to add 187 to 478, and this will give you 5 at the last, and we have 2 5. So what should be the correct answer? It would be 6 5 would be at the last, and 6 5 would be at option number A. No, I think some of you have given me the answer wrong, but some of you have given me the answer correct. Clear? Now, come on, guys, you should also understand that at what we are writing. Let's solve this. Come on. Have a look. Come on, guys. This is 64 2 times. You will not share this session, guys. You don't want that this channel should also grow, because this is an English channel, everyone. Please share now. I don't know you guys are why not sharing. I'm taking marathon classes for you as well. At least for the maths purpose, you can watch this channel. Anyone wants to improve the English also, they can also watch this channel. It's a 574. Okay, 574. Guys, one thing, this is 64, everyone. Okay, this is 81. Okay, this is 100. Okay, we have 8, 9, 10, and other would be 11, which is yes, which 121, and this would be 12, which is 144, and 4 would be at the last, and we have 2 numbers, and 4, 7. 7 would be also there. So the answer is 574. Am I right? So questions are very easy for this case, everybody. As I said, what matters a lot, the conceptual understanding, is that if you know the difference, if you're very much good at difference, then nobody can stop you to score a good marks in number series or missing number part. This is very important. If different doesn't work, go for double difference. Definitely it will work. Go for double difference. Definitely it will work, but go it. Do not think that how it will be solved. At least go for it for the difference. Please. Now, can we start a simplification from here? Because you solve much more questions. Can we start simplification questions from here? Say, write down yes in the comment section, everyone. Write down yes. Okay. So as you are seeing, I'm not sticking towards only one of the section. We are going for module 2, which is simplification and approximation. So you have this question, guys. Can you? Come on, let's solve. Yeah. 82 points, 82.514% of 199 means approximately you can go for, if you want to go, that would be great. And do like the channel, everyone. One 91 one, we thought like different answers. First of all, guys, can I take this as a 200? First of all, remember this is 200. Okay, sorry, this is 200 and this is multiplied by percent. This 200 and this percent and 20 will get cancelled out. This is nothing but 82.5 multiplied by 2. Correct. First thing is 82.5 multiplied by 2 plus this is like 8101 would be approximately taken 90 of minus of 4.90 will be taken at 5 and 12 fives is basically 65. So I'll go for minus of 65. Correct. You all have understood this line. If you all have understood this line, let me go for 82.5 into 2 is 165. Make sense, no? 165. Now you can do either way out, 165 plus 90 minus of 65. Or you can solve like 100 plus 90 is 190. So basically this is what 100 and this is would give you 90. So 190 is the answer, but nearby, because this is an approximation, the answer would be 191. Everyone understood this? Come on, say. You guys have understood this, that how we have gone, how we have tried this? Come on. At least say yes in the comment section. Okay, that's great. Please solve. And see, if you are preparing for the clerk exam, I'm giving the question which has been asked in the pre-exam. Like, let's see now you can solve or not. Do share the session, everyone. Okay, let me try. This is 16 by 100 multiplied by 225 first plus this is 61%. 61.89 would be 62 multiplied by 100 of 350. Okay. Now let me guide you. This 0 and this 0 will go. This is 2 times, this is 7 times. This is 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are. This is 7 1s are 7 and 7 2 1 7 is this part. Okay. Let me go here. This will go 9 times and this will go 4 times. This will go 4 4s are 16. This is 9 4s are 36. Make sense? So now you are getting here as in 36. So 36 plus 217. Now try to understand. 200 plus 30 is 230. 230 plus 10 is 240. Now you can understand this is 240 plus 10 is 250 plus 3 is 253. So answer is basically 253. Correct? Okay, everyone answer was fine. Everyone is getting the same answer. Come on, say. Steps are clear to you, everyone? Steps are clear to you? Okay, that's fine. Try. Okay, please try. I'm trying my level best so that every one of you can understand. $15 I'm getting, okay? Just wait. Let's see. Can I write down this is 1050 divided by x is equal to 125 plus of 95, correct? Which is 0, which is how much? 9, and 3, which is again 230. 230 minus of 150 is nothing but 70, correct? This 0 and this 0 will cancelled out and the value of x would be 15, correct? So my answer is 15, option number A. Clear? Let me go for this one. Okay, you're Jack Abhishek. Okay, that's fine if you're Jack Abhishek. Everyone do like the session, guys. That would be helpful for me and you as well. 380. Okay, that's quite easy one. This is, this is 1 by 7. So this is 1 by 7 of 560. Means you can understand that what should be in the place, that would be directly 80. So this whole portion is basically 80. And this becomes 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 of 450. Correct? 2 by 3 of 450 is nothing but this will go by 1 and 5 and 0. This is again 380. So my answer would be 380. It was quite easy. Again, percentage skills are there. Please solve. Do like the session, everyone. Some of you are answering me like 430. That's very good. So see what I can do now. 839 would become 840. So 840 divided by 28, because this will give you 27.9 something, plus this is 1600 divided by 4. Only these things you need to solve. This is, here you are getting what, 400, and here you are getting what, 840 divided by 28 would be 30 times. So this is 30. So my answer would be 430, option number B. C. Please solve. Thank you, Darjeeling, West Bengal. That's very good. You follow me, that's a great. That's very good. Now, can I write this is basically 40? You know what? Because 8, 8, 16, because this is under root, na? So I'll say this is nothing but, this is nothing but 40. 40 multiplied by 640 by 100 means simple, that is 640 by 100, this is 64. Right, this is 64 and this 0 will also cancelled out. So 64 means last you will get 6, 6, 6, 4, 4, 16, 6 and you will get 256 as your correct answer. So my answer is 256. Come on, try. Be fast, everyone. This is 660 plus x by 42 multiplied by 21 is equal to 521. This is the whole equation. Correct? Come on, say. You can do one thing, you know what? You can do one thing. This is 21 2s are. So 660 plus x is equal to 2s are 2. Here would be 2, 4, 1, 0. Just need to solve. 660, 1042 minus 640, you will get last as in 2. And then you will get what? 8. Any unit place with 82. Option number A is the correct answer. Right? Clear? So can we go for quadratic equations, guys? Come on, say. Write down yes in the comment section so that we can go for quadratic. Speed maths. This is a speed maths class, everyone. So again, there would be like 5 questions. And there would be options as well. So let's start. First question. I have solved this question many a times. If you can answer, come on. Remember, I have solved this question many a times. Quite difficult, but not that much difficult, but you can answer. Assume root x is equal to a. Then x equals to a square. Then you can write down this is a square plus of 19a plus of 90. So is equal to 0. So this is 10 and 9 and this is 19. So your roots would be minus 10 comma minus 9. Is it right? Same thing we can do here, which is, let me change the color of marker, which is root y is equal to b. So y is equal to root y is equal to b. So y is equal to b ka square. So it should be b square plus 23b plus 130. This is 10 and this is 3 plus. So y is equal to minus 10 and minus 3. Now you can get that you have two numbers. One is minus 10 and minus 9, and one is minus 3 and minus 10 and minus 3. So what we can say here, we can say one is x, one is y. Is it equals to and greater than? True? No. The sign would be this one. Clear everyone? Come on, see, and if anybody is having doubt, do ask me. Clear? Is this clear? Yes, there are a lot of batches. You can go and see Oliveboard website for the batches. We have just launched back batches there. Come on, solve this. See how to solve such kind of problem. X square minus of 9 root 3x plus of 60. First of all, this is 12 into 5. This is 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. Now you can say that 4 plus 5 is 9. So x square minus of 5x and minus of 4x will give you what? Will give you minus of 9, but there is a root 3. So how you can figure it out 3? To figure it out 3, you can multiply this root 3 multiplied by root 3. Then this will give you 3. So x square minus of 5 root 3x minus of 4 root 3x will give you plus 60, will give you whole this part. Make sense everyone? So your roots would be plus of, because both are minus, 5 root 3 and this is plus of 4 root 3. This is one of the equation. If you go for second, this is 7 6 are 42 and this is nothing but 7. I need to change the color of marker everyone. This is 7 multiplied by 6 and 7 6 is basically, so here the roots would be minus 7 and minus 6 will give me minus 13. So the roots would be plus 7 and plus 6. I think this much is clear, but quite student will have a problem that how should I compare the roots, sir? This is very problem for me. So what you do, you square this whole roots here. Now understand what will happen, right? If you square. Now 4 ka square 16 into 3 is basically 48. So this is 48 and this will become 75. Now you can compare that and you can also square this side, which is 49 and 36, which is 49 comma 36. Now your roots are in integer. Now you can compare. Now if you go for a compare, you will find that okay, this is creating problem for me, so you can go for C and D. See, anyone is having problem in this, please understand and say guys. I hope I have explained you. If you want me to explain one more time, please say. You want me to explain this one more time, then please say. It's clear now. Everyone, is this clear, guys? See, I would request all of you that please don't spam here. This is a small channel, everyone. Just for those students who don't understand Hindi. Okay, this is a good initiative taken. Please support so that we can have more and more question. We can discuss more and more question in the class. Okay, that's fine. That should not be there. Come on. Now this is again a calculation skills problem. Please answer. And do like it, everyone. I think this will be quite tougher for you. Leave this. Let's solve DI because this will be quite tougher for you guys because the roots are very different here. You know, this will be quite tougher for you. Let's go for DI. Can we go for DI? Please see this DI. Now we have percentage distribution of total students, graduate plus postgraduate. And we have difference between the number of graduate and postgraduate. Total number of students in all 5 colleges 1200. And we have the bar graph shows the percentage distribution of total number of students, graduate and postgraduate. First of all, you need to make a table and then answer. Okay. Utkarsh, my blessings are always with you. Please clear your exam as soon as possible. Now, if you are not able to read it, let me just show you that this is 120, this is 60, this is 140, this is 80, and this is 160. This is 25%, guys. This is 30%, this is 15%, this is 20%, this is 10%, and this is 30%. Please read it, make a table, because if you make a table, that becomes very easy. Solving, everyone? Okay, if you guys have done, that's quite good. Let me guide you one for you so that you can have a understanding that how to process. Let me just guide you one for you so you can have a process that how you can go for it. Only one I'll guide because we don't have much more time, but only one I'll guide. First of all, make a table, guys, okay? Make a table. I'm just making a table for one of you so that you can try. We have A, B, C, D, E. So just make a table. This is A, B, C, D, and E. Write down total which is given here, graduate and postgraduate. So graduate plus postgraduate. Then we are having basically exactly the graduate and postgraduate, exactly the graduate, and then we are having a postgraduate. So guys, when we see this percentage graph, because this is the percentage distribution, this shows 25%, which is 1 by 4 of 1200, which is 300, right? And we have a difference in the A of 120. Again guys, you can understand if sum is basically 300, there's one hint I would guide you. If basically sum is 300, okay, and difference you are getting what? 120, then how to find out the bigger number? The bigger number is nothing but write down. The bigger number is sum plus difference by 2. The bigger number is sum plus difference by 2. Sum is 300, then difference is 120 by 2, means that is 420 by 2. Then the bigger number is 420 by 2 is basically 210. So the bigger number is 210 and the difference is of 120. Then postgraduate would be 90. Now these things everybody should know, because this is again, you need not have to solve each and every part. This is a trick to answer this question very easily. Okay, bigger number is equal to sum plus difference by 2. Everyone is getting? Again I would write down that bigger number is sum plus difference by 2. Always remember. Similarly, one we have a 10%, 10% means 120. Like the problem is just you need to make this graph. Again the bigger number is 120. Sum is 120 and difference is 60, 180 by 2, which is 90. So I would say this is 90 and this is 30, correct? Now here you will get like how much? 30%. 30% is 360. So write down here 360. If this is 360, this is 180, because 180 na. Oh, this is 15, 12, 180. And we have 20%. 20% is basically 240. So this is 240. All the parts I have mentioned here. Now just figure it out. The remaining part, which is graduate. Now 360 plus 140, 40, 400, 500. The bigger number would be 250. So here the number would be 250, correct? Now let's come to this part. Okay, now we have 180. 180 plus 80 is 270 plus 2 divided by 2 is 130. So I'll go for here 130. Now 240 plus 160 means 300. 400 by 2 means 200. So this is 200 and this would be 40, correct? Now this is 180, this would be 50, correct? This is 50 will become 300 and 60 means this is 110. All the charts are clear now. Come on. Say. Is this all the charts are clear now? Everyone, please say. Now this hardly would take like 3 to 4 minutes of time to answer such questions, everyone. If this graph is done, then 5 questions you can do correctly. If this graph is done, then 5 questions you guys can do correctly. Let's go for one of them. This is problem number 1. Come on, give me the answer. I'm not going to solve this question. Give me answers fast. I'm not going to solve this question. Fast answer me, guys. Exactly. The answer is 56%. Please see from the data which we have figured it out. The answer is 56%. Okay. That's very good. Let's go for second question. We will be solving two questions, not more than that. Second question. Okay, let me give you this as an homework. Okay. So basically, guys, this is an homework. This is homework. This is homework. This is homework. And this is homework. And this is homework. Okay. Now everyone, please have a look. I've given you the 4 questions which I asked for. I'm just side because you can download the question, means you can have a question access. So I'm just making it. This is an homework, everybody. This is also an homework, guys. You can just answer me the questions in the comment section after the class. This is also an homework. Okay. And this is also an homework. Okay. If you'll not answer me the homeworks because nobody replies, I know that you guys are very busy, but you guys don't reply. If you let's say nobody answer, then I'm not going to take any classes from tomorrow. Correct? And this is a strict action because I need that you should also support and you should also solve questions of the clerk level examination. So that's why I'm just giving you that. Please comment me in the comment section that what are the answers of these questions after the class, not right now. Thank you, Ambly. If you'll answer, that would be great for me. Then I promise you that till your clerk, till your PO, I will be regular in this class. Till then, I hope I should get there. And bye-bye, everyone. Take care. I hope you guys really enjoyed the class. And do give me thumbs up and do like the session. Do subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye-bye, guys. Take care. Shining off, Agnimitra. Bye, everyone.